Hello there, thanks for stopping in. Let's take a look at where we're up to with our Tiffany blue colour scheme. Now, as promised, I'm going to show you what we've done with those baubles we've just made. You can see I've hung the ones with the pearl beading from the ceiling, along with some other stars of various sizes and shapes, and they're all hanging down from the ceiling, so when you walk in, you'll honestly feel like you're in a winter wonderland. The other baubles that we made with the strings on them are right here on the tree. So you can see I've coordinated them with other baubles and we've matched them in, and I think you'll agree they look pretty good. I hope you're having fun with yours as well. In keeping with our Tiffany blue theme, I've actually purchased a Tiffany blue tree. You can do exactly the same with a white tree, of course, but I thought this one was too pretty to resist. I've also used the Tiffany blue on a white tree, on a silver wire tree, and as you can see, it works just as well on the traditional green tree. Next time I'm going to show you how to make some of these gorgeous and super simple table centerpieces. And I'm also going to teach you how to make napkins that you don't even have to sew. So until then, happy decorating!